Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel nowUknow. Today I'm going to unbox and show how to use flashcards. Let's go to our video. This is Colin's Easy Learning Flashcards. There are 52 cards in this pack and it's suitable for 3+ ages. Let's unbox it. Let's open it. There are 4 types of card: green, yellow, blue and red. These are the 3 instruction manuals. We made some alphabet flashcards. My sister is learning phonics, so she will read some cards.
A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, U, N, O, P, Q, U, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Let's move to the other set. These are some CVC cards. My sister will show you.
Map, map. Tan. Bip. Caught. Nut.
The next set are some digraph words. 2 sounds make one digraph. S, C and K make K.
Sock. R, E, G, ring. Fish. Shop.
Blue cards are some common words we use. We can use them to make a sentence. Mat was in the bag. Nut in the bin. We can make many other sentences out of these cards. These are the red cards. These are some activities. There are options for this question. Now I'm going to ask this to my sister. The dog is on the dash. Chair, bed or log?
Lock.
Let me see if the answer is correct. The answer is correct. The answer is on the back. Now this is the find the rhyming word card. I am going to ask my sister a question. Find the two that rhyme. Fox, mug, box, ball.
Fox and box.
Good. This is the answer. Fox and box. This is the find the word that's not real. Find the word that's not real. Cag, peg, nut, zip.
Cag.
Good. The answer is cag. There are many more questions like these. My sister learned a lot of new things, and this is useful for young children to learn words. This is ideal for young children and you can buy this from shop. If you like this video,
Like, share.
and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to see the notifications. Bye bye.
Bye.
It's me Arish signing out.